In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order Domino's Pizza home delivery. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily order pizza from Domino's at the comfort of your home. You will be able to get it delivered to your address by either going over to the website at dominos.com or by downloading the latest version of their mobile app, whatever you prefer. Once you go over to the website or you download the mobile app, you will find the option to start your order. So usually it is going to be right at the top of the home screen, and you can tap the delivery option. Immediately upon tapping delivery, you will have to include your address, so you can use the interactive map or enter your address manually alongside the other information like the zip code and so on. Once you confirm your address, just tap continue, and finally you will be able to browse through the menu. So I'm doing this process on the website. However, like I said, you can also do it on the mobile app. The layout might be different, but it's still going to work flawlessly. So once you browse through the menu, you can see the offers, you can build your own pizza, and of course you can browse through the standard categories here of pizza, sides, and so on. Add any pizzas that you want to get to your cart, and once you have your order ready to go, once you have added everything, tap on the cart icon. On the website, it's going to be over here at the top right corner of the screen, and if you are doing this process through the mobile app, it's going to be elsewhere. So just look for the cart icon. If you added any offers, you will have to come to add certain items for the offer to be eligible, but regardless, once you are ready to place this order, you just have to scroll down and tap continue checkout. You can include an optional coupon or offer code if you want, but regardless, as soon as you continue to check out, you will be able to confirm all of the details about this order, include your contact information, the delivery instructions, and finally choose how you want to pay. So it is extremely simple, and you will be able to have your order delivered straight to you. I hope I was able to help you on how to order Domino's Pizza home delivery. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.